just making some pens here now. What? Well, you guys are probably wondering what the hell is he doing now? Anyways, in this area from here over here, fuck, is it cold out here? It's all rock, solid rock. Look at them all. So what I done is I dug a big hole, pulled all the rocks in. I think there was an old foundation here at one time. Put all the rocks in the hole, and then I got the clay here now to level out, make a base. But I used a bunch of the rocks. I sorted through and hauled them up there and filled the well already. So that's fucking nice. Yeah, so I gotta dig another hole here to put those extra rocks from the well back into here. She's dusty though, holy shit. Anyway, I got this little whacker Newson, whatever, from A1 Rentals in Regina. Pretty good guys to deal with. So I got this thing for a week. Anyways, I'm gonna hop in here, and she's a pretty cool old girl, actually. Oh, they had one without a heater, which probably would have been okay, but it was she was a little fucking nippy, and you know, like tonight she's a little crappy. So I don't know, I'm gonna see. I don't think I can run this at the same time, but anyways, we're just gonna try to smooth this out a little bit. Like I say, there's lots of clay on top of here too. I can't even run my bucket. Anyways, I'll bring you back in a bit here. This is too difficult. I need somewhere to hold this little frickin' phone of mine here. So anyways, I'm gonna go dig another hole over there, and then we'll get those rocks moved in, and yeah, and then that'll be it for this area. So talk to you in a little bit here. Well, that's the old well. She's gone. She gone, boy. She gone. Anyway, there's a few little stones here yet. I'm gonna try to smooth these out a little bit, and then we'll oh, come on, there we go. I'm sure there's a cup holder in this thing, but there isn't, so that's good enough. Anyways, got a few little ridges here I'm gonna level out, and then we'll go back over there where I dug the hole for these stones. And then, where is it now? Over here somewhere. And I'll pull that clay back into the hole, and I'll level that off nice. Get the hole filled in for tonight, and then I'll take the tractor tomorrow sometime and move that clay over top of there and level that out real good there. So anyway, I'll see you in a little bit, I guess. Probably in the morning though. Holy mother, she froze last night. Everything's white. That's good. Kill some more weeds. Anyway, I got to feed cows this morning, so before I head down to Weyburn and go get a load of steel, gotta head down there and get some drill stem and a bunch of sucker rod today. But like I said, I gotta feed the cows first here this morning, so we're gonna put the grapple on. I'm gonna try to feed up these bales. I got busted strings on them, so hopefully I can hit this here. It's kind of a piece of shit, this thing. Picking up this grapple because there is no maybe I got it. I think I got it. Nice. The little arms the little teeth that come over the top rod are quite a bit shorter. I can't even show the other ones because I don't have one here. But anyways, Russell Steel was out this morning. We unloaded a bunch of steel from those guys, some sheet metal, some tubing, some 1-inch tubing, 40-foot lengths of 3x2, and all that good stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna get this hooked up here, and we'll go feed the cows here right away. So I'll show you that steel we got on my way by. Sounds good. See you in a few. Yeah, these are those bales that I made when it was too dry, like during the day, and the twines are all screwed up on the ends there. So that's why I feed with the grapple. Actually, I don't mind feeding with the grapple because then I can put little pieces out here and there, because we're not feeding in the bale feeders right now, and then everybody can get around until we get everybody weaned off, and then I'll be feeding in the bale feeders. But here's our pipe we got. Got 35 of those, bundle of 1-inch, and some sheared steel. So that should make some good bunk feeders, I think. Last night I worked away on this rigmarole over here. I'll show you. Go by right there. I drug the baler out, piled up all them sticks, pulled these rocks out, and that I might take out these two little trees here yet. They're kind of in the way when I go through here, but anyways, everything else is pretty near ready to go there, so good enough. Let's go feed the cows, I guess. And then I gotta go and get some cash for that guy, and I have to get go pick up the neighbor's trailer again here in a little bit. So do barn chores yet. Oh yeah, that guy's always got lots to do around here. Anyway, talk to you in a few. Hey, Bob. Freaking snows are just flying like crazy. They look like little eagles, but oh, look at them all. Nice. Ugly little bastards. Well, we're on our way to get some pipe. Just going through Francis. Check out this old rig. Nice, boys. Fuck. King. Now that is pretty sweet. Anyway, see ya. No, Weyburn or something. Down that way anyways. See you in a few. Just wanted to show you that old girl. That's pretty cool. Freaking construction. Holy man. It's the longest time it's ever taken to get to Weyburn on this highway. Anyways. Well, we got a big Jag on, boys. Get out of those rumble strips there, old Ford. Yeah, she's a pretty good Jag on her this time here, so. Anyway. We're just heading back home here now. We gotta go back through Weyburn and turn north and go through town. And then we'll be on our way back. Then we'll go through Francis, and then we'll go home country roads. Take me home that way. So that's probably where I'll bring you back, unless I see something cool with this shit going on here. I know I gotta stop every so often because they kind of like let these guys go, and then we can go, and then the other guy go, and that's like zigzag the whole way back and forth. But I think what they're doing is they're making passing lanes in here. Oh, we're going a little fast. Making passing lanes in here. That's what they're doing here. So, which will be good in the future, I guess. But anyway, for now, good enough. There goes the taxi. See you in a bit, guys. Nick, check her out, Nick. Look at all your old girls. 49.55, 46.50. Oh, ho, ho. Just be creaming yourself here if you've seen all these deers. Anyway, good and you. Says it ends, but does it really end? I don't think so, Tim. Look at all these deers, man. Old Nick and the Twaninator. Check them out, boys. Check them out. Oh, yeah, good hand tractors are for pulling packers, whatever. You know. There we go. See that what I mean? Oh, yeah, in the work area. Now you're back into the work area. You lying bastards. Anyway, I probably gotta stop up here, so I better get off the phone here. See you in a little bit. Man, I like this engine brake. You bunch of free grazers. What the heck? I think these are all Josh's cows are out here. Right by home. Anyway, they're having a good snack, so that's good. I gotta try and get his number so I can give him a shout here, so. Anyway, got a bunch up here yet too, so that's good. Focus. Right there. So, yeah, I better go try and give him a call here. I'll talk to you in a few. Well, there we go. There's all the sucking rods. Check that out, boys. That'll build a good frickin' penning. Nice. Look at those ones there, shawing them up in the dirt. Awesome. Well, so hopefully all the threads are okay, that a guy can put them back together. Get the pens made up right in this area. We're gonna fire Dom up one of these days here pretty soon. Move these frickin' cultivators and get all that out of the way. And I'm gonna start trenching water here pretty soon. So I gotta get some water bowl bases made up here pretty quick. I was either thinking of getting precast concrete pads or just using treated 6x6s and put them together, make a nice pad, dig them in the ground flush so that the water bowl sits flush. But yeah, anyway, I got this little lift of drill stem left here and that's it. So I guess I'll see you in a little bit or something. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, the moment you've all been waiting for. I want to see if I can, I'll bring you back here in a bit. See if I can park the tractor there or something. Let's see. Some juice. Never mind. Okay, try her again. Come on, phone. Nice. Nice. I like that. Right on, boys. Well, we'll let her charge up for a little bit, warm up, and then we'll move it over in the line up there. So we'll see you in a few here. I like that. Old Mercedes with the ladies. Nice. What a sweet old rig. This old girl is just the best. Oh. To get this old girl going next year. Good enough. Okay, we'll leave her warm up for a bit and then we'll get it out of the way here. So, gotta seal the battery off my auger. Get her going. That was a pretty good cold start. I like that. Actually, nice. Okay, I'll see you in a few here. I gotta move my truck, shut it off, smoky old bastard. Mercedes with the ladies. Well, that was pretty nice. Fucking right. I like that when she starts good. Now we can add old Dom to the lineup here, so we'll see in a little bit. There we go, boys. That is pretty minty right there. Old Dom, leader of the pack. Nice. Anyway, guys, that'll be it for this video. Couple good cold starts there for you guys. That was pretty nice. It is cold out, like it's below zero here again today. It's like minus 10 or 12 this morning, so that's handy. Anyway, got everything just about moved now. I don't need to move the cultivators right away, but my feedlot is going to be out to here, all the way over to that bush, down the tree line, just in front of the truck, and then probably over to here somewhere. So that's what I'm going to be working on now. I'm going to make that a separate video, and that'll be her for this one. So thanks for watching. I got 12 more subs, guys, to get me to 5 grand. Keep her going. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Leave a comment, subscribe, thumbs up. You know what to do. See you in the next one.